All right, let's show you the cloudy skies that we are seeing all the way out to Hamul this morning. So much farther inland, you could actually see how thick those clouds are. It looks very pretty early this morning, though, especially with the twinkling stars up above. It is 60 degrees there, low to mid 60s for inland neighborhoods, and mostly mid 60s up and down our coastline. Right along the 5, we're sitting about 65, 67 degrees. Low pressure to the north of us is continuing to usher in that cooler air. So when you have low pressure, that's the cooler air. When you have high pressure, typically that's that warmer air. So while we're dealing with very comfortable temperatures, much of the country is dealing with heat and humidity. And we're dealing with very comfortable conditions. This summer so far has been quite nice. So knock on wood, we're going to keep it that way. If you are in the mountain and desert areas, another day of gusty and dry conditions will lead to a few hours of near critical fire conditions this afternoon and evening. Today, temperatures trending 5 to nearly 15 degrees below normal, with only minor warming into the weekend. So we're going to see highs in the mid 60s to low 70s today, just a touch warmer tomorrow, and then low to mostly mid 70s over the weekend. Inland neighborhoods, mostly 70s today. In our next half hour, we'll pinpoint a few areas I'm forecasting to hit 80 today, mostly low 80s tomorrow, and then mid 80s this weekend into next week, which is still cooler than the 88, 89 degrees we're typically at for early August. For the mountain areas, we're going to be in the 70s today and tomorrow. Again, with those gustier winds today, not as windy tomorrow, and then low 80s over the weekend. And for the desert areas, check it out. Even comfortable here, at least for summer. Temperatures down to about 103 and 104 the next couple of days, but back to 110 by Monday.